Hey guys, so for this video, I wanted to give you a quick chance to practice Gustar and talking about what people like to do. If you haven't learned this yet, in the description of this video, there's a link to the document that you're looking at. And on that document, there is this link to a lesson on Gustar. So you need to go watch that first if you haven't learned this. But if you have learned it, then let's get to it. So I'm going to do the first 5 here kind of with you or for you. And then after that, I'm going to say pause the video and you can do the rest on your own. And then you can check your answers. So for the first one, I'll go ahead and write them down for you. So Ati is for you. So I'm going to say you like, and bailar is to dance. So you like to dance. So the first word is going to tell me who it is that likes. So that's te. And the second word is either going to be gusta or gustan. Since it's just bailar, one thing, I'm going to say gusta. Number 2 says they like the books. So to tell me that it's they that like, it's going to be lace. And then since the books are plural, it's going to be gustan. Number 3 says I like the computer. So since it's me, I'm going to put me. And then the computer is just a singular thing. So I'm going to say gusta. Number 4 says Jose. So that's just one person. So he's going to be le. And then what does he like to do? He likes to watch TV. So that's going to be gusta. And the last one says a Luis y a mí. So that's we like something. So for we like, it's going to be nos. And then we like the clocks. So since it's multiple clocks, that's going to be gustan. Okay, so what you should do maybe is pause the video to see if you can do these 5 over here really quick, and then I'll move the screen down so you can see these other 10 sentences if you just want to get all this practice in at once. Pause the video really quick, and then I'm going to move it down in about 3 seconds. Okay, I'm going to move it down so you can do the other ones. So I'm going to pause the video again, and then I'll move it back up and start going over them. So pause it now. Okay, so let's move back up, and I'm just going to read the answers to you. Again, the first blank is going to be me, te, le, nos, or lace, and then the gustar part is going to be gusta or gustan. So number 1 will be Jocelyn le gusta. Number 2 will be a ellas les gustan las casas. Número 3, a ti te gusta cenar. Número 4, a Nick y a mí nos gusta viajar. Y número 5, a mí me gustan las librerías. There's 5 over here. We've got a nosotros nos gusta trabajar. Number 2 will be a ti te gusta. Number 3 will be a mí me gustan. Number 4 will be les gustan. And 5 will be le gusta. And then these 5 over here, we will have me gusta. Number 2 will be le gustan. Number 3 will be nos gusta. 4 is te gusta. And the last one will be les gustan. If you have any questions about the answers on here, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.